We'll guide you through how to find the Printify zip code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Printify website. Once you're there, log into your account if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll want to navigate to the main dashboard. On the dashboard, look for the support or help section, which is usually found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the support page here. You'll see a search bar where you can type in zip code to find specific information related to Printify's location or address. Alternatively, if you're looking for a zip code for a specific order or vendor, go to the Orders tab on your dashboard. Click on the specific order you're interested in. You'll find detailed information about the vendor, including their address and zip code. Listed in the order details section, this is particularly useful if you're managing shipping or returns. If you can't find it in the order details, you can also go to the Stores tab, select the store in question, and access the shipping settings or vendor profiles. Sometimes the zip code is listed there as well. Remember, having the correct zip code is crucial for efficient shipping, so double check the information you find. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helps you out.